is at REI Expo, bringing you the latest updates and development from the renewable energy sector. Joining us is Girish Ananthan, General Manager, Retail Cell, Future Solar. Hello, sir.
Hi, good afternoon.
Hello, sir.
I am Girish Ananthan here. I am working as General Manager Retail Sales based in Bangalore.
Yeah.
Future Solar is a top-con module manufacturer. We have our factory in Karjan, where we are currently having a working capacity of 5 gigawatt per year. Plus, we also have plans for setting up our own cell line. So we are the work is under progress to start the manufacturing of 2 gigawatt cell as well.
Okay, sir. Like, what are the products or like new things that you are showcasing here at the event?
At REA, in fact, we have already started the production and we are introducing our G12R modules, which are basically higher watt peak modules.
Okay.
So we are offering some 620 watt peak to 635 watt peak. And these cells are high efficiency cells, which gives you modules with efficiency as high as 24.49.
Okay, so what we would like you to share your thoughts on the GST directions on solar components. So how it is going to impact the industry and
See, GST reduction in GST has definitely been a welcome decision because as it is with the current situation, the prices have been increasing for the end customers. So this GST reduction from almost 13.8% to 8.9% for a project. So that even for the end customer, it's a benefit. So because what happens is for a commercial establishment, when they pay the GST, they can always claim an offset. They can get back credits. But whereas for a residential customer, the GST, whatever they pay, it's a payout. There's no credit. So reduction in GST is a direct benefit to such customers who are not having the option of claiming the credit.
right? Okay. So we are also hearing a lot of like discussion on backward integration in order to make it self-reliant and then localization. So what are you taking any steps to
Yeah, see,
towards this?
now as per the new notification of this government of India, they have come out with the ALCM where they are mandating that any government tendered project, grid connected projects, the modules which are made should be DCR, domestic content requirement, which means both the cell and the module has to be made in India.
Yeah.
And looking at that, what Future Solar has started implementing is we are setting up our 2 gigawatt cell manufacturing line, which is expected to come online by the end of December 2026.
Oh, that's
So
great.
once we have the cell line, we'll be able to cater to DCR segment as well.
Okay, so you heard about that launch. Then, are there any other plans, like in terms of business expansion or like, opening a new manufacturing facilities?
In fact, per se, the best part here at Future Solar is it's an integrated complex where the cell and module both are produced at the same place. So that helps us manage costs. At the same time, we are now catering to retail C&A segment as well, and then we have separate divisions to handle the utility segment. And we have a sales team pan India. So we have a bigger team now to connect with all the customers.
Okay, so at REI Expo, we see a big crowd today. So, what are your expectations from your exhibition here?
This possibly is my 7th participation at REI, and year on year the participations are only increasing. So we are seeing that this year, right on day one, we are seeing a very huge footfall. So we are definitely sure that the second and third day will be much higher. And also, I think for the first time, we are seeing that REI started charging 1,000 rupees for entry. Still, there is no dearth of public.
I heard it was 2,000, but yeah.
Yeah. So, at least now we can be sure that we are getting really quality customers who are really interested in understanding what are the new technologies in the market. So, that actually helps us also rather than waste our time talking to uninterested or very small people. We are talking to people who are really interested in what is happening in the industry.
That's right. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving us time and then sharing your thoughts on the industry updates. Yeah, sir.